What a flippin' scam. I have to pay 299 Rand every single month for Deal Point. This is ridiculous. Really? You are willing to pay more than 300 Rand weekly on KFC, McDonald's, or going to the movies, but you don't call that a scam, do you? And the best thing of everything is that KFC, that McDonald's lasts you what? 15 minutes, the movie lasts you what? 2 hours, and you've got nothing to show for it. Excuses and calling everything a scam is not going to pay your bills. It's not going to pay off your debt. If you are sick and tired of barely making it, money here today, gone tomorrow, WhatsApp me 062 175 0825 and I promise to send you the free information that got me started.